Whoa, this is cool. This is the first time I've ever using the selfie flash mode on my camera at night. But anything has nothing to do with the video. Just wanted to say I'm surprised about that. I was doing some working out here in the backyard, doing some bag work, and it got a little dark. But still got to get in my video. So this video is how I do over $40,000 a month in sales, drop shipping on eBay. I was just talking to one of my friends today, and she's trying to do the eBay business and blown away that I do over $40,000 a month. Soon to break over $50,000 a month in sales, and everybody always thinks that I have like some advanced strategy. Whoa, it's the perfect listing strategy. My business model and how I do it is so freaking stupid simple. It's not even funny. Really, it's just, if you're not doing listings on a regular basis, then you're out of business. And if you want to build a business, then you need to be pounding out listings like crazy. Like I said, I'm lately averaging over $40,000 a month drop shipping on eBay, but I have over 4,000 listings on eBay. So really, when you think about it, that's almost kind of pathetic, because you'll hear some drop shippers who have like, a couple hundred listings and they're doing, I think, around that much a month. I don't know. I don't really watch other drop shippers on YouTube, but I know some of their numbers are more impressive than that. But they put a lot more research into finding the perfect items to list and everything, and all complex formulas for listing all these different suppliers. I do all my drop shipping from literally one supplier, drop ship just onto eBay. And mine is just a numbers game. I just focus on maxing out so many listings, and I have a low profit margin. After all expenses, everything comes out to about 10% a month. So you do the math on that, on $40,000 a month. It's pretty good, considering that business is run on autopilot, all by virtual assistants at this point. I have a manager who does the whole thing, and then I have a couple part-time virtual assistants that they chip in as well, doing the listings and other different various assignments. So I'm really just kind of like like the elite of the Illuminati in the background, checking in, overseeing everything, I'm the eye on the Illuminati. Just overseeing everything, but I keep it stupid simple. I know I could do more complex things, and maybe someday I will do all kinds of advanced softwares and stuff, but you don't have to, just keep it simple. You can start a drop shipping business today or tomorrow, and you could literally, I remember when I started my drop shipping business, I'm pretty sure I made my first sale the same day, if not within the first like 2 days. I remember I was blown away. I made like 10 listings, and all of a sudden I made a sale, and I was like, oh my gosh, I just made like $20, 25 bucks profit. And I was freaking out. I can't believe this happened. And so you start making listings, it's a numbers game, baby. So if you did 10 listings every single day in a month, that's 300 listings. In a year, that's over 3,000 listings. Ta-da! I've been doing drop shipping for about a year and a half, so ta-da, do the math. You can kind of figure out probably what my listing strategy has been. Obviously, I've deleted some listings, but it's simple. The secret is focus on listings, do a lot of listings. Don't be greedy with the profit margin, trying to make a lot of money. Even just a little money is great, because if you have a lower profit margin, then you'll make more sales, and you can make up in numbers what you lack in skill, if that made sense. But anyways, I do offer one-on-one coaching. I've coached a lot of people from this channel, which has been really fun, considering how small of a channel this is. So I'm glad to help you and shorten your learning curve, so it doesn't have to take you, over 6 months to make profit like it did me when I started doing my drop shipping business. Now people I coach, they're making money the first day, the first week, first month. So I'll be glad to work with any of you guys, teach you about drop shipping, how to make money right away. I'll put a link also to a course that I recommend if you don't want to. It may be more worth your money to just get the course, because how many sessions it may take coaching with me, it may exceed the value of the course. So or we can do both. You can get the course and coach with me. Some people do that. They get the course I recommend and do coaching with me, just to get that one-on-one hand holding throughout the process. So but if you have any questions, leave a comment below, and until next time, guys, have a great day, a great week, a great month, a great year. Let's make it a great life, baby. See ya.